store. Let's open it up and see what we get. Okay, let's see. Oh, a V, an EX. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my god, a rainbow. And terrestrialized looking. And a Dini EX. What? This pack is awesome. I got so lucky in this pack. Let's go. Hey guys, today I found this dusty old abandoned Pokemon card pack on the road. Wow, there's so much dirt on it. Let's see if there are any good cards inside. Okay, a Serpier V. Oh my god, a rainbow tag team. Unknown V, Skunk Tank V. Oh my god, a terrestrialized looking EX. Or a Quasar V Max, Charizard, and another unknown. That's an amazing pack. I'm so happy nobody else found it. Friends, today I got this gold card from a Silver Tempest pack. So I got another one of the same pack to see if I get lucky again. Let's open and see. I'm so nervous. Let's see. Okay, a Zamazenta, a trainer. Okay, that's cool. An Urshifu, a Lumineon. Oh my god, a Rainbow Charizard V Max. A Lumineon V, a Raichu, and another Urshifu. That's so good. But I still didn't get another good card. It's fine though. Hey guys, today I got two same exact packs. Let's see if the pulls are same or not. I hope I get something good. Okay, let's see. Ooh, starting with the Arceus V-Star, Vaporeon Full Art. Oh my god, a V-Max, a Whimsicott, Honchkrow Full Art, nice, a trainer. And oh my god, a Golden Zapdos V. That's so rare. Now I'm hoping that I get the same card again. I'll have two gold cards. Let's see. Okay, a Grand Bull V, EV Full Art. Oh my god, a gold Articuno. Wow, that's pretty much the same pulls. Well, I still got a gold card. Woohoo! Today I'm so excited. I got two Pokemon card packs for a return gift. Wow, these are so amazing. Which pack do you think I'll get a rare? Choose your pack, right or left? Let's open right first. Okay, let's see what I got. Whoa! Lucario EX, Rayquaza EX, Mega Rayquaza EX. Whoa, Groudon, Kyogre, Gengar, Deoxys, and Mega Rayquaza EX. All of these are hits. Let's go. I don't think that pack left can beat these. Alright, let's see what I got. Oh, Yveltal EX, Kyogre, another Kyogre EX. Okay, Cobalion, Blastoise, oh my god, Groudon, Articuno, and Zekrom. Wow, both of these are so cool. Who do you think won, right or left? Comment down below.
This is your card if you scroll. This is your card if you like. This is your card if you comment. This is your card if you share. And this is your card if you follow. But these are all your cards if you do all.
No one beats this card.
The game is rate it or hate it, and the rules, they're pretty simple. Leave a thumbs up in the comments if you like this card, and leave a thumbs down if you don't. Let's see what you think about this one.